Hey guys, welcome back to Social Tech Guide. In this video, we discuss how to withdraw money from Cryptomania. We're going to clear the air about withdrawing funds from the app. Before we delve into the details, we first have to discuss what this platform is and the value it brings. Let's get started. Cryptomania is an app that lets you simulate cryptocurrency trading, making it a fantastic tool for beginners. It's the perfect playground for those who have just started learning the ropes of trading because it allows you to trade without risking real money. This feature is incredibly awesome for practice. Moreover, you can access advanced features like the Pro mode for graph analysis or add additional balances by simply watching an ad. Now, the burning question: can you withdraw money from Cryptomania? As we've mentioned before, Cryptomania is solely a simulation platform, which means you're not dealing with actual money within the app. Therefore, it's not possible to withdraw real money from Cryptomania since the funds are purely virtual. The balances you see are just numbers for you to play with, allowing you to watch your simulated wealth grow or shrink based on your trading choices. If you're aiming for actual profits in trading, you'll need to switch to a different platform, such as Binance or OKX, which handles real financial transactions. Cryptomania is, without a doubt, the best tool for practice right now. But we want to ensure we're not spreading misinformation. Currently, it is not possible to withdraw money from Cryptomania. That's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video on Social Tech Guide. Stay informed and tech savvy.